This news is in response to the recent announcement by Central Power Minister Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar. The title of the news item is Govans Say No to Nuclear Power Plant. This is a fight to save our land, lives and legacy. This news item has been submitted by Johnson De Silva, senior activist and advocate for public accountability. Now the news in detail. The recent announcement by Central Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar regarding the central government's plans to establish a nuclear power plant in Goa has sent shockwaves around the state. This reckless proposal is nothing short of a death sentence for Goa's people, its ecology and future generations. The BJP governments at both the state and the centre seem determined to finish what remains of Goa's natural and cultural identity. Goa is not just another patch of land. It is one of India's smallest yet most vibrant and naturally beautiful states. With its rich biodiversity, lush forests, clean rivers and unique heritage, Goa is a priceless gem. Setting up a nuclear power plant in such a ecologically sensitive and densely populated region is nothing short of criminal negligence. The dangers of a nuclear facility in Goa cannot be overstated. Even the smallest technical error, natural disaster or sabotage could lead to a catastrophe far greater than what Goa can endure. We need only recall the nuclear disasters of Chernobyl and Fukushima to understand the irreversible damage such a facility can cause. With Goa's compact geography, a single nuclear accident could wipe out the entire state, leaving no room for evacuation or containment. The people of Goa are rising in fierce opposition to this disastrous plan. Civil society groups, environmentalists, youth organizations, and local residents are uniting to demand an immediate rollback of this decision. Goa does not need hazardous energy. Goa needs sustainable development, clean energy, and preservation of its fragile ecosystems. It is deeply alarming that the state is already reeling under unregulated tourism, casino, narcotic drugs, and land grabs is now being targeted for something as dangerous and irreversible as a nuclear power plant. Who will be held accountable if tomorrow our rivers are contaminated, our air becomes toxic, and our land becomes uninhabitable? This is not just a fight against a power project. It is a fight to protect Goa's right to exist in peace, to preserve its legacy for future generations, and to demand that governments serve the people, not destroy them. We, the people of Goa, categorically reject this sinister move. We will not allow our land to become a testing ground for political arrogance and corporate greed. Goa is not for sale, not for sacrifice, and definitely not for nuclear experiments. We need to save Goa, and the time to act is now.